This will be an Excel tutorial that walks you through the steps to create that will calculate your final grade point average for the semester in a particular class. You want to start by opening up Excel, opening a new Word page, open a new book, and saving it to a file, to a folder where you will remember where it's at. Start to create your first table of assignments. Remember to differentiate from your headers and your actual assignments in the graded inputs. So for your headers, you want the labels to be bolded and capitalized. To distinguish each category, be sure to merge and center. To do so, highlight how many cells you want the width of your header to be, and then go into the tab bar and click merge and center. It is also good practice to be sure that your entire word is seen in the cell. You go up where the A is and toggle your cursor over the line between B and A, press down and drag until you see your entire word. You want to do this for each subcategory assigned. To create your table, one way is to highlight all of the contents you want to include. Go up into the tools bar. In the font section, you want to click on the arrow beside the icon that looks like a window. The next category, we're going to fill in the header and the individual assignments the same. However, we're going to change how we create the table. After you have filled in all of your contents, highlight the entire table and go to the toolbar under the section Styles and click Format as Table. When you do this, a dialog box will pop up just asking the data you want to include, and since you have everything highlighted, just press OK. After you have done this, you see that the first header, homework, now has, once you have done that, you'll notice that homework now has 3 columns beside it with drop down arrows. The arrows can be removed by going to the top of, in the green bar, clicking on data, and under the category sort and filter, click on the filter. Now, however, you will see that column 1, column 2, and column 3 do not disappear, and no matter what you do, they won't. In order to fix this, press Ctrl Z to undo the way that you've done the table. Instead of highlighting the entire contents, begin at assignments and drag down until you're at the last corner of total, and create the table in the same manner. This will show you that the drop down arrows appear on points out of and percentage, and in order to remove those, go to data and click on filter, and now you have your table. Here's a good place to stop the video and attempt the 2 methods on your own, and then come back to check and see if you have done so correctly. Continue watching to the next video to find out how. Continue watching to the next video to see how. Continue watching to the next video to look at different ways to fill in the individual data members.